45-degree angle on there. So I'm going to line that 45-degree angle along our center line. And I'm looking at, now I have an 8.5 inch square at home, but you don't have to have an 8.5 inch square. If this happens to be a 9.5, it will still work. 8.5 is kind of nice because you can just, this just takes a little bit more work with it. Okay, so I have my line down here. Here's my point up here. I'm seeing it. I'm in there. Here's batting here. Here is my 8.5 inch line right here. And then, there's my point. And then here's my 8.5 inch line here. See, and so we're all covered. There's fabric in there, so we're good. If it wasn't, then we would have to do what I was doing with her. I just added a piece of fabric and threw it over. It might cover it. Our sashing might cover it, but this is just in case, and making sure that it goes well. Okay, so once I check that line down there, I'm checking to make sure that I have enough 8.5 in there, or at least it comes up there. Then we can go ahead and trim here. Then you flip it around, and we're just going to put the same thing. Put that line on that 45-degree angle. Now we have a straight edge, so we have a right angle right here. Our 8.5. I'm lining up 8.5 here, 8.5 here, and then my 45-degree angle right down the center. Look twice, cut once.
Sometimes that still doesn't work.
No, I know. So there.
Cool.
Okay, and this is your other side.
That is. That's beautiful.
That's
Okay.
nice.
So that's what we want to do. So we'll get all those, and then we're going to work on sashing. And we need to cut our sashing in 2 different sizes. One is 1 1/8, and the other is 1 3/4. The 1 3/4 we're going to fold in half and press wrong sides together. Okay, so the 1 3/4. Let me show you. I'm going to go show you. So you can decide, because you're doing 2 different colors. So then you can decide which one you want the back and which one you want to be the front. So let me show you what we're doing. I'll just grab it and I'll come back out.
Purple on one side and pink